Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder. Today we're diving into ImmunityBio Incorporated's latest filing, and let's just say it seems like they're giving us a little peek behind the curtain with a business update. Before we dive in, if you're enjoying these straight to the point, no jargon breakdowns of corporate filings, do us a favor and hit that subscribe button, and if you want to chat about these numbers and more, join our growing Discord community. The link is in the description below. Alright, so what we have here is a current report, essentially an 8K filing. Think of it as a company saying, hey, something important just happened and we need to tell everyone right away. In this case, ImmunityBio Incorporated is giving us a business update and sharing their financial results up to the end of September 2025. This is where we get to see how they've been doing. First off, a quick look at their stock. Their common stock is traded on the Nasdaq Global Select Market under the ticker symbol IBARX. This means their shares are available for public trading, and for investors, this is the key piece of information to identify the company on exchanges. Now for the juicy part, the financials. While this filing doesn't contain the full financial statements in excruciating detail, it points us to a press release where those numbers are laid out. They're giving us a snapshot of their performance for the third quarter and a longer view for the 9 months leading up to the end of September of 2025. This is crucial because it tells us how they are performing in the short term and helps set expectations for the rest of the year. The really important document here, Exhibit 99.1, is the actual press release. This is where the details of their financial results and business update are contained. Unfortunately, we don't have the full text of that press release within this view, but knowing it is furnished means the company is officially releasing this information to the public. It's what we dig into for the exact numbers. But based on the filing's intent, we know they are reporting on their performance and financial standing at that specific point in time. Now, let's consider what this kind of filing typically means. Companies issue 8 current reports for significant events. When it is about financial results, it is usually to report earnings, which can sway stock prices dramatically. They give these updates to keep investors informed, as transparency is key in the stock market. For ImmunityBio Incorporated, this report indicates they are sharing recent operational and financial developments, which could include updates on their drug pipeline sales figures or any major business decisions that have been made. Without the press release, we are missing the actual numbers, but the fact they filed this indicates they have something to report on their financial health and their operations. Looking at the structure, they are also marking that they are not an emerging growth company. This means they likely have been around for a while and are considered a more established entity, possibly subject to stricter reporting requirements and with a longer track record. Let's think about what we would expect to see in that press release. Wednesday be looking for key financial metrics like revenue, which is the total money they brought in from sales. Wednesday also look at their net income or loss, which tells us if they made a profit or lost money. For a company involved in areas like biotechnology, which ImmunityBio is, we'd also be keen to see updates on clinical trials, regulatory approvals, and any strategic partnerships. These elements are critical to understanding their long-term value and potential. From a Warren Buffett-esque perspective, we'd want to see if their revenue is growing consistently, if their expenses are managed well, and if they have a clear path to profitability. Are they investing wisely in research and development? Is their business model sustainable? These are the questions that a deep dive into the financial results would help answer. While we don't have the specific figures here, the filing tells us that these results have been released on the company's direction. ImmunityBio Incorporated is in the pharmaceutical and biotechnology sector. This is a field characterized by high risk and high reward. Success often hinges on the efficacy and safety of their products, particularly drugs in development. Therefore, positive news in their business update could mean advancements in their drug pipeline, leading to potential future revenue streams. Conversely, any setbacks could significantly impact their valuation. The risks for a company like this are substantial regulatory hurdles, competition from other pharmaceutical giants, and the sheer cost of research and development are always present. However, opportunities can be equally significant, especially if they develop a breakthrough treatment for a major disease. In conclusion, this filing is a standard but important announcement that ImmunityBio Incorporated has shared its recent business performance and financial standing. It signals that more detailed information is available in the press release it refers to, for investors and interested parties. That press release is the next place to go to get the concrete numbers that will tell the true story of their performance in the third quarter and for the year so far. Now, what's your take on what this kind of filing signifies for ImmunityBio Incorporated? Do you think this is a positive step, or are there underlying concerns without seeing the full picture? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more of these insightful corporate document analyses. And don't forget to join our Discord community. The link is in the description for more in-depth discussions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.